In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can download and install NordVPN on Windows 11. If you are running into problems installing the desktop version, wait to the end. Go to NordVPN.com and on the banner at the top, there's a Download VPN option. Hover over it and choose Windows under Desktop. In the next page, click on Download App. And with that, your download will begin, and by default it should go to your Downloads folder. Open up your Downloads folder, and you should see your VPN installer that you just downloaded. Now, most people will just double-click the installer, but this is a mistake, as you will see shortly. So the installer opens up. And after you read and accept the privacy notice, you'll see that the desktop app can't be installed because you don't have the required permission on the device. Now, this is happening even though I'm the administrator of the laptop and have admin rights. It's a quirk of Windows 11, and if you're familiar with older Windows versions, this would not be the case. Okay, let me close the installer and show you how to install NordVPN on Windows 11 the right way. Now, the right way to install NordVPN on Windows 11 is to right-click the installer and then select the Run as Administrator option. Waiting for the installer to start up. It's a little slow now. Okay, it's ready. Accept the privacy agreement again. And now you can see that we can install the desktop app. Halfway through the installation, you might be prompted to update your .NET libraries. These are part of Windows, so just click on Yes. And then the installation continues. The whole process will take about 3 minutes, and I've sped it up in the interest of time. Once you're done, you should see that NordVPN has been installed successfully. You can see that the desktop app as well as the browser extensions that have been installed. Your browsers, like Firefox, will also prompt you to add the extensions when you open them up. Let's click on Launch NordVPN to launch the desktop app. It does take a bit of time to start up the first time you install the app. And there you have it, NordVPN, successfully installed on Windows 11 desktop.